Alright, I'm going to be showing you how to install the zip tie snow chains. They're pretty simple, a lot easier than installing conventional tire chains. You don't even have to back up the vehicle on it if you don't want to, if you space them far enough apart. These are great product. They store easily in a vehicle, they weigh nothing, they're not rusty like your old chains if they start getting scratched up. You can even toss these after using them if you want. They're not that expensive. Now here they are. Here's the part that meets the road. Get your grip. And it's basically just a normal zip tie. It's a pretty simple installation. I'll go ahead and show you how to do it. First I'm going to insert this section through the wheels. I'll go ahead and show you. Now if I do want to pull the car forward, I can get that lower one more centered. But here they are. Go ahead and tighten these up more if I'd like. Tuck them in if you really want to. And I'll go ahead and show you how easy it is to uninstall these and use them later. Just any flathead tool, knife, thin screwdriver. Insert it in so the locking mechanism doesn't engage anymore. Go ahead and get closer video here. Alright, so this right here is what's locking in these grooves. We want to get in between there so it's no longer engaging, and the thinner the tool you have, the better. There you go, we're in between, and we just slide it right up. And that's pretty simple. We'll just do that the whole way around and put these back in the bag, put them back in the vehicle, and good for the next time. You can always carry them on you. There you have it. I recommend keeping a set of these. They're really inexpensive. They're real easy to store. I have a tiny storage area when the third row seats are up on this thing, and I'm able to just put them in the back here, take them over room, keep them with me all the time, just in case. Just great product, I think. Worth the money, simple to use.